Come on, guys.
It's going to be Hiroshima.
Come on, slide.
I'm not going to stand here if you know the
No. When he gets up there, you better go that way because I'm going that way.
Come on,
You're almost there, Will. He's not using his steps. Look at his left foot. Oh, now he is.
Come on, Fatty. Let's go.
He dove on up.
You almost made it.
Jeremy.
Yeah!
Move.
Oh, God. Damn, I wish I had my...
Hey, you can send it to me, can't you? Oh, you get the little baby out of the way.
Go ahead.
He got to catch his breath. He just got up.
Hey, Will, get the tube. The pink
He'll
one.
pop it when he hits the ground.
Hey, Mason.
That's a bitch gonna shoot over that damn mud puddle over there.
We're probably going to mudslide from here to tomorrow.
That's why we ain't trying to. That's why we try not to tell him what is going to happen. All right, all kids, get off.
He needs to tube, man. He gets on that pink tube. I put him right here.
What? Oh yeah. Yeah.
Mason goes over with the tube and she rides the tube.
He's not exactly the most agile person, so he's not going to catch himself.
No. Not till he hits the fucking.
Yeah!
He's gonna. Oh shit.